Monday special video. Yes, my friend, this is the second Monday special video. I'm really very excited to share beautiful comments, shout out and recreation. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creation. I'm Sangeeta and I make beautiful DIY craft with little bit of imagination. If you're new here, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so whenever I upload a new video, you are the first one to know. Give this video a big thumbs up and watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. So let's start with beautiful comments you shared with me. I want to thank each one of you for answering my last week question. Which video of mine you like most and why? This is entertainment time. Some video, lovely upload. You're a very sweet lady and I like your Mother's Day card dress video because that video inspired me a lot, because that time I didn't found any good video from which I can make the card for my mother. But your video helped me a lot and I like that card very much, so I made that card for my mother. Thanks a lot, ma'am, for helping and inspiring me. Thank you so much, dear, for liking this video and you recreated. So please don't forget to send your recreation. Your craft will be featured on this special video. Thank you so much. Now the next one, she is Nishita Sharma, very cute little girl. I love your Mother's Day for Fucha doll video because it's for mom, as we all love our mom. So I like the most. Very much through dear. Mom, they are really best. I am a French maestro. She says, ma'am, as your new video's question, I love the chocolate. That is why I love this video. May this video get brilliant views. Love you, ma'am. Please remember my name, Tushali Srivastava. Sure, I'm going to remember you. Thank you so much, dear. Now the next one, Richa's World. She says, amazing and so nice video, but sorry, I have some questions but I can't ask. Hope you will do part 2. Yes, my friend, I'm going to continue this Monday special video. So whenever you feel like asking me any question, I'm ready to answer. Thank you all of you for answering all the questions. Let me know in the comment box below which DIY do you want me to do next. Now it's time to answer all your questions. Let me tell you, I love art since my childhood. My mother, she was very creative. She used to make very beautiful craft. I'm not a one person of her. I miss her a lot. She was my first inspiration. And my second inspiration is my elder brother. I'm sitting in front of you all. It's because of him. He encouraged me for each and everything. I was a very shy person. I'm still shy, but I'm quite bold enough to face you all. Well, talking about who inspired me to start a YouTube channel, one day one of my friend, a childhood friend, she asked me to join YouTube channel and without no idea, I just started. And later my co-worker helped me to create this account, Sangeeta's Creation, and with all the formalities and with the help of him, I received my first payment. Well, my future plan on YouTube is to create more beautiful DIY crafts, and I want this family to grow very soon with 10,000 subs. Is it less or more? I know that with your love and support, I will reach this goal. If you ask me why we should have a hobby, there are many reasons why all of should have at least one hobby. It makes you more interesting, it helps to relieve stress, it helps to make more patient, it increases your confidence, and top of it, it makes you happy. The best comment of this week goes to, but my friend, before I say, let me tell you something that you all are very close to my heart. Your likes, comments, encourage me, motivate me. Please don't feel bad if your comments are not selected or I didn't give any shout out. You never know, next time you will be the lucky one. So coming back to a special comment of this week, she's really a cute little girl. Her comment really touched my heart. Thank you so much, dear. Awesome man, your card is like a pearl of necklace. Great job. 4K soon. Thank you so much, dear. Love you. Now the best part of this video, do you know what? Yes, my recreation craft. Do you know which one and who recreated it? Yes, Bodhi. I'm so happy to see her recreation. Don't you think that she recreated so beautifully? I loved her flower. Thank you so much, dear, for giving credit to me. Do visit her channel and you will come to know how creative she is. She is a master in cards. Friends, if you recreate any of my craft, please share with me on any of my social media and your craft will be featured in my upcoming Monday special video. That's all, my friend, for today. Let me remind you that don't forget to answer all the questions in the comment box. Which dia you want me to do next? Do you make art and craft? Do you have your channel? Share your link so I can go and watch. Since how many years you are into craft? Who inspired you most? And let me know which topic do you want to talk about in the next coming Monday special video. Finally, time to conclude my second Monday special video. Please feel free to ask any question related to art and craft in the comment box below. I will try my best to answer all your questions. Once again, my family and friend, thank you so much for your love and support, and keep showering your love and wish me a good luck to reach my goals in future. With your answer and little bit of imagination, I will come up with the new videos. Don't forget to follow me on any of my social media. Link is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to like, share this video with your family and friends. Thank you so much for your love and support. See you soon. Till then, namaste.